Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. You can typically find the PowerPoint application in your Start menu or Applications folder depending on your operating system. Once the program is open, take a moment to let it load before you proceed with your presentation. This initial step sets the stage for the editing process that follows and ensures that all necessary resources are available for you to work smoothly. After PowerPoint has fully loaded, locate and open the presentation you intend to modify. This might involve selecting a file that ends with the appropriate extension for PowerPoint presentations. Ensuring you are working on the correct file is essential for maintaining the integrity of your content during the editing process. With your chosen presentation open, move on to the slide that contains the text area where you would like to insert your formula. Click on the desired text box to activate it. This careful selection of the text area is important because it determines precisely where the formula will be placed in your slide layout. Doing this ensures that once the formula is inserted, it appears exactly where you want it without disrupting the overall design of your presentation. Next, navigate to the top of the PowerPoint window where you will find the Insert tab. This section of the interface is designed to offer a variety of add-ins and media options, enabling you to enhance your presentation with visual elements. In this context, the Insert tab is your gateway to adding a mathematical equation, which contributes to the clarity and depth of your presentation content. Within the Insert tab, look for the option labeled Equation and click on it. The equation tool is specifically tailored to allow the insertion of complex mathematical expressions, making your slides more professional and engaging. Once you click on this option, a variety of equation styles and additional options become available that cater to different needs. At the bottom of the list of options, you will find the Ink Equation feature. Selecting Ink Equation will switch the interface to a canvas where you can hand draw the formula. This option is especially useful for those who prefer a more dynamic and creative approach to inputting equations, as it provides the flexibility to draw complex symbols and expressions by hand. After selecting Ink Equation, the drawing canvas will appear on your screen. Now focus on drawing the formula you need. As you create your handwritten equation, steady your input device, a mouse, touchpad or stylus, and ensure that your strokes are clear and well formed. Accuracy during this step is key because the drawn equation must be interpreted correctly by PowerPoint. This interactive approach not only adds a personal touch to your presentation, but also allows for customization that preset equation formats might not provide. When you are satisfied with the drawn formula, finalize the process by clicking the Insert button. This action confirms your input and embeds the handwritten equation into your slide. Once inserted, you may adjust the position, size, or formatting of the equation to ensure that it aligns seamlessly with the rest of your slide content. Following these detailed steps will allow you to successfully integrate a custom, hand-drawn formula into your PowerPoint presentation. Enjoy the enhanced flexibility and personalization that PowerPoint offers through the Ink Equation feature as you continue to create engaging and informative slides.